Tutor LMS 4 Beta is here, and it's not just an update, it's a major upgrade to the entire learning experience. From a redesigned interface to smarter engagement features, everything feels faster, cleaner, and more powerful. In this video, we will explore the core new features of Tutor LMS 4 and what makes it worth your attention. First up, Tutor LMS has completely redesigned the course page. So if we take a look at the courses section, we can see that the design has changed a lot. From a student's perspective, the lessons are now much more learning focused. It's also possible to take notes while students are taking lessons. They can take the notes, save these, and view these notes later on. It's also possible to take notes while viewing lessons anytime. The lesson notes can be enabled or disabled from the course settings section of Tutor LMS. Tutor LMS has also introduced 3 new quiz types. If we take a look at the quiz builder, we can see there are 3 new quiz types: the mark in the image, range, and pin. The mark in the image allows you to upload an image and mark the correct area. So students have to mark the correct section of the image in order to answer the question correctly. The next type of question is the range. The range introduces a scale from which the students must pick the correct value. So here we added a question: what percentage of all the websites of the internet are powered by WordPress? The correct value is 43. We can set the minimum and maximum value, steps, and label entry. Finally, there's the pin question type. Here you can upload an image and then mark the area which the students must add a pin to in order to answer the question correctly. So let's take a look at these questions from the front end. So the first one is the range question type. Here the correct answer will be 43. So let's go ahead and select 43. And now let's click on next. And here we have to pin the continent of South America. So this is South America. Now we're going to click on next. And now we have to circle the phone in the diagram. So let's do that. Here it is. Now let's submit the quiz. So that's how the quizzes look in the front end. Tutor LMS 4.0 also redesigned the admin and student dashboard. As you can see, the admin dashboard is much more clean. You can control what you want to view in your dashboard. You can take a look at the courses, announcements, quiz attempts, assignments, discussions, and also the analytics. Another thing Tutor LMS did is introduce a new email template. It's for the forgot password. You can view the template for this particular email. You can write the subject, email heading, additional content, and you can view how the email will look like. And you can also test the email by sending a test mail. It's important to note that Tutor LMS has all kinds of email templates available for you. So when a new course is published, new lesson is published, when a new quiz is published, etc., all kinds of email templates are available for you to customize. Another addition is the certificate verification. So students will be able to verify their certificates much more clearly now. The verification is done by each certificate receiving a unique certificate ID. Another addition is the course bundle expiry function. So now you will be able to add an expiry date to your course bundles, giving you much more controls over your course bundles. Also, the overall assignment functionality has been improved. As you know that assignments are available through Tutor LMS Pro add-on. Once you enable it, you'll be able to add assignments to your course lessons. You can add a title and some content to the assignment. You can also upload attachments to the assignment, provide time limits, and set deadline from assignment start time. You can also add total points, minimum pass points, file upload limit, maximum file size limit. You can also allow assignment resubmissions and specify the maximum resubmission attempts. Overall, this is a big improvement. So Tutor LMS included so many new features. In order to find out what other things Tutor LMS improved or added in the 4.0 version, you can check the log and find out yourself. As you can see, some of these features are only available in the Pro version. In fact, all these new features, such as the new quiz types, certificate verification feature, course bundle expiry feature, and the forgot password email template, all these are only available in the Pro version. So if you're using the free version of Tutor LMS, it's fine. You can create amazing courses with that. But if you want to take your course building to the next level, you need Tutor LMS Pro. If you want to get Tutor LMS Pro, there are 2 types of plan: annual and lifetime plans. And each of these plans have 3 tiers: the individual, business, and agency. But you can also get the lifetime plans. These might look expensive at first, but once you think about it, it's much more profitable for you, as these are just one-time payments. So you can get any of these plans which you like. So that brings us to the end of today's video. Tutor LMS 4.0 Beta is here with all the new amazing features. We would love to hear from you which feature you love the best, or which feature you would like them to include in the future updates. So if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful content such as this one. Thank you for watching. See you next time.